Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you from Spiral Rain. It is my Apothecary and Witch box for February. So let's get to it. Oh, if I can open it. I'm going to do with my little opener. Silly rabbit. Okay. Now, let's see what's in here. Our beautiful, a little spark to align with the universe. First off, we get loads of awesome info. And look at that cute little kitty. Love it. That is a lot of info. To me, is priceless. And they break it up by colors. So, green is going to be the Apothecary box. So we have sandalwood. We got basil. And these are stuff bags, by the way. Rosemary. You can really build up a nice apothecary, which is what I'm trying to do here. Get everything organized. And a big bag of primrose. So those are some of the herbs that we got in the apothecary for Feb. And green. So this would be the green box. It has green bubble. We seem to have honey, amber, resin incense, and this is a big jar. Wow. It's got the little, cool little opener. I like that. And sealed fresh honey amber jar. And then we have, looks like we got some oils. Okay. We got patchouli. Ah, awesome. Patchouli oil and lang lang. Essential oils. I'm assuming that's it for the... Yeah, okay. That should be it for the apothecary box, but I'll double check when I read the paperwork. So now this is for the witch box. And I got a ritual oil. Love ritual. This is cute. I'm assuming this is an oil. That's adorable. Ripping open the box, but I gotta check it out, see what kind of oil this is, because the box is really cool. Can't get it out. It's glued to the bottom of the box. Of course, right? Let's try that. I'm really destroying this box. Okay. There we go. Oh, it's a cute little jar. Bottle. Really cute. And it says love ritual. Huh. Very cool. I like that. Even though I destroyed the box. Okay, so this is going to be for the witch box as well. Usually she gives me candles for each box. I wonder what's up. So we have love candle. Then she loads it up with goodies. So we got rose quartz and rose in there. As always, smells delightful. All right, so this is just stuffing. Okay. We got a box of rose incense by I think it's rose. And then the last two things are here. Okay, we have these two for the black box. This is a tiny little guy in here, so let's get this one open. Looks like a rose quartz. Oh, cute. It's a worry stone, but a tiny guy. A tiny worry stone in rose quartz. That's cute. It's nice quality, too. It's got a rainbow in it. I don't know if I can catch that on the camera, but I gotta wait for my ring light to come. And usually you get a whole bunch more stuff, but apparently everything's going up. So everything, ooh, a witch's guide to wellness. Cool. Goes over a lot of different things. I'll give you a little quick looky-loo. Really pretty in-depth. Very cool. All right, so let's see what's going on this month. Like I said, I know things have gone up crazy. So I guess, you know, and mailing's gone up. So unfortunately, they got to cut back somewhere. Or raise prices. It's either one or the other, right? Okay. So, like I said, we got February. And then, like I said, we got a lot of different paperwork, a lot of info. So I just want to give you a little looky-loo at all the info that you get in this box. It says some ideas to help you use items in this month's box, which is cool. Love meditations. What else we got here? Love spells and rituals. A lot, like I said, a lot. Let's see what else. Seasonal names for herbs. Wow. A lot of different words for herbs and plants. Crystals. Tarot spreads. Like, they go for the moons and the zodiacs. I'm trying to get to the items in the box. Here we go. And, ooh, no. No, it's falling on the floor. And they go into the moon. I believe this is cute. By her daughter. That's nice. All right, so we also get Book of Shadow sheets for, this is the Airbox Rosemary and Basil. They got the oil, patchouli. We got sandalwood and the wild rose. And we have an apple. Interesting. Okay. Just about this stuff in the box. Yes, patchouli, ylang ylang, rosemary, basil, sandalwood, primrose flowers, and 3 ounces of the amber resin. And that's the herbs. Get you information about all that. Then we have a heart healing spell here. A love candle spell. Regain trust in love. Pop it lust spell. Ooh. Bring back lover spell. And magic necklace. And then this is what's in the other box. Okay, so we got the Witch's Guide to Wellness. For the Rose Quartz Mini Worry Stone. 4-ounce candle, the incense, and the ritual oil, love. Okay. So let's go over the prices. Okay, this is in French. I need English. There we go. All right. So, the Apothecary box for US is $78. So you still get your value. You got your amber resin and all your herbs. One herb was $15.50, which is the primrose. Sandalwood's $10, basil is $5.50, and rosemary's $5. Lang Lang oil is $15, patchouli is $12, and the Grimoire sheets $10. Grimoire magazine, $10. Grimoire magazine. Did I miss something? No. I don't know what the Grimoire magazine is. Book of Shadows is $5, but then it says Grimoire magazine, $10. I don't see that unless it's in here. Could have missed it. Then the Witch Box is Love Magic, which is a retail value of $72, which just starts off with the Wellness Book. And this is $24.99. The Ritual Love Oil. Wow, this is $20. The candles, $18. Incense is $5. The Worry Stone is $10. Wow. And then Grimoire magazine, $10. And then $8 for the Book of Shadow sheets. I don't know what they're talking about. Oh. Maybe they're talking about all the info they give us, because it is cost money, the pages and all that good stuff. That makes sense to me. I believe that's what they're talking about. And they also have the Own Box, which was all about love. So next month we will have, I believe next month it says Ostara, so I'm not 100% sure if that's what it's going to be. They have a Sabbath box also to coming out February 28th. I'm going to check out that. I want to get one of those as well. I like to try out one of their Sabbath boxes. That looks new. So yes, I'm excited. Let me know, guys, what you think about this month's Spiral Rain Apothecary box and Witch box. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave all the information in the description below. Have a great day, guys.